the largest 5-digit number. I require a 5-digit number and that needs to be maximum, okay, which when divided by, there is a number which is getting divided by 5, 6 or 7. In all the cases, the remainder it is 2. In all the cases, the remainder it is 2. What we need to determine? Dividend we need to determine. Whenever dividend we need to determine, when the dividend needs to be found out, which concept we will use? LCM concept we will use. LCM concept we will use. When divisor needs to be found out, we will use the concept of HCF. So, N will be LCM of 5, 6, 7 into some number. This K value will give us 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits and so on, and the remainder it is 2. So, N is LCM of 5, 6, 7 into K plus 2. Now, if you see here, listen carefully sir, how we can solve this question. These divisible by 5 and it gives a remainder 2. Answer when divided by 5, it should give a remainder 2. 5 into anything, it is divisible by 5, remainder 2. Answer when divided by 5, remainder 2. 8 when divided by 5, remainder 3. 8 when divided by 5, remainder 3. Option A and option C are out. Next one, 6 is divisible by a prime number 3. Answer when divided by 3, remainder should be 2. Answer when divided by 3, remainder should be 2. It is perfectly divisible. So, answer has to be option D. Kindly do not find out this value. LCM of 5, 6, 7, K plus 2. Answer when divided by 5, remainder should be 2. Answer when divided by 3, remainder should be 2. 5 answer, these two please check it out. I eliminated 3 options. So, the answer has to be option D. I hope the concept is very much clear. Now, if you see, next one, good question sir. If 288 by x and 108 by x are natural numbers, right? So, it is suppose 12 divided by 3, remainder it is 0. Remainder it is 0. That means 3 is a factor of 12. That means 3 is a factor of 12. Are you all with me? 3 is a factor of 12. Similarly, here what is the question sir? 288 is perfectly divided by x. Remainder it is 0. 108 divided by x. Remainder it is 0. That means in both the cases, x should be a factor of 108 and 288. Since it is a maximum value, answer has to be HCF of 108, 288. X is the HCF of 108, 288. Now, how you can eliminate a few answer options? Let us see. Right now, if you see 42, it is 7 into 6. Answer is divisible by 7. That means input both the numbers should be divisible by 7. 108 is not divisible by 7. Not possible. Next one, 54, 48 and 36. 48 is not a factor of 108. It is not possible. Answer should be a factor of smallest number. What is the smallest number? 108. Answer should be a factor of 108. 54 is a factor. 54 twos are 108. But 288. 288 will be 54 5s are. It is 270. 54 6s are. It is, if I take 54 5s are 270. 54 6s are. It is 324. That means it is not divisible by 54. This is out. So, answer for this question has to be 36. Answer for this question has to be 36. Are you all with me? Or another way to look at it, these digital sum is 9. These digital sum is also 9. Input both the numbers digital sum are 9 and I am doing HCF. Answer has to have digital sum 9. Option B out, option C out. Option B out, option C out. Now if you see here, 54 twos are 108, but 54 is not dividing to 88. A, B and C are out. Answer for this question is 36. 12 when divided by 3, when it is said that 12 divided by x, remainder is 0. So that means write 3 is a factor of 12. Same concept I am using here. I hope the idea it is clear. X is the largest number by which dividing 3808. I am dividing 3808 by a number n, right? It gives a remainder 13. Not only these numbers, not only these number. I am dividing 4798, remainder is 13. I am dividing 5128, remainder is 13. That means which one we need to find out? Divisor we need to find out. Divisor needs to be found out. Divisor needs to be found out. When divisor needs to be found out, which concept I need to use? Right? I need to use the concept of HCF. When dividend needs to be found out, I will use the concept of LCM. So N is HCF of 3808 minus 13. Already we did the same model. 4798 minus 13. 5128 minus 13. 5128 minus 13. I hope this idea it is clear. So this will be HCF of 3795. It is 4785. It is 5115. 5115. Till here it is clear. So we need to determine the divisor. So 3808 minus 13, 4798 minus 13, 5128 minus 13. Whenever these big numbers are there, so we can determine by using a concept of smallest difference factor. Smallest difference. Factor of smallest difference. Factor of smallest difference. Factor of smallest difference. So answer will be a factor of, between the numbers, what is the smallest factor? It is around 1000. It is around 1400. It is around 400. So I will take factor of 5115 minus 4785. 5 minus 5 0. Right? 11 minus 8 3. It is 330. Factor of 330. Now if you see here, answer will be a factor of 330. Answer will be a factor of 330. 3 into 11 into 10. 10 it is 5. Right. Now if you see here, listen carefully sir. It is an odd number, odd number, odd number. HCF of odd numbers is always an odd number. So 2 will not come. These 3. 3 means 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 5 24. 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 5 24. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2 12. It is divisible by 3. Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. It is also divisible by 11. All are ending with 5. That means answer for this question is 165. For which value sir? Value of n. What is that he is asking? N is x here. What is the sum of the digits of x? 1 plus 6 plus 5. 11 plus 1. Answer for this question it is 12. 1 plus 6 plus 5. 7 plus 5. Answer for this question is 12. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 3808 when divided by n, remainder it is 13. 4798 divided by n, remainder is 13. So answer will be HCF. Whenever divisor related problems are there, we will use the concept of HCF. HCF of these two numbers difference. There is a beautiful concept here. Whenever bigger numbers are there, HCF means we will take the smallest difference between the numbers. Smallest difference between the numbers. So I took the smallest difference between the numbers. Factor of 330, 3 into 11 into 5 into 2, 2 eliminated because input all the numbers are odd numbers. So HCF of odd numbers is an odd number out. 3, 11 and 5. All are divisible by 3, all are divisible by 11, all are divisible by 5. 165. Sum of the digits of 165 is 12. Concept clear?